Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming syncing so you know where your notes live and why they might be missing. First, enable Notes in iCloud under Settings. This ensures a cloud copy exists. Then open the Notes app and go straight to Folders. Check Recently Deleted because recoveries are fastest there. If nothing appears, inspect Settings passwords and accounts for other mail accounts that may hold notes. Once located, toggle Notes on to Resync and Reveal items. You can recover immediately. Once you've ruled out recently deleted and alternate accounts, move to Cloud and Backup Sources so you can recover older versions. Log into iCloud. Com and open Notes. If content is there, copy it back to your device or export it. Next, check Device Backups. Go to Settings General iPhone Storage Backups to see when a full backup occurred and what it contains. If necessary, connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC and inspect Finder or iTunes backups. Restoring a backup will bring notes back. To finish, restore recovered notes to your device and force a sync by toggling iCloud Notes off and on, then wait for upload. If backups and iCloud fail, consider reputable third-party recovery tools. Use them only after backing up current data because they can modify device files. Make sure to export any critical note to a separate file or email for redundancy. If something goes wrong, check iCloud status and retry syncing. And remember, preventive regular iCloud backups avoid most recovery headaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.